There's a little feature I've noticed a lot of people don't know about when it comes to LinkedIn marketing. Now, if you've got a personal profile, you may know that you can have a featured section on your personal profile. And if you didn't know about that, well, definitely check out the video that I recorded earlier on this channel. You can find the link below. But this video is about how to add a featured section to your LinkedIn company page. And we're going to go into detail on that in this video, so stay tuned, and here we go. Hey, my name is Lowell Brown. I'm from Going Social. I run a digital marketing agency in Toronto, Canada, where I help you with your digital marketing needs. And in this video, we're covering LinkedIn once again. Now, in addition to my LinkedIn marketing course, which will be launching soon, here's a little hidden tip that I wanted to talk to you about. And it's all about promoting posts on your LinkedIn marketing page. And one way that can help you boost a little bit of awareness of the post that you're doing is with a featured section on your page. And we're going to go into an on-screen demo in a minute, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up and how to select posts that you want to appear as a featured post when someone looks at your page. So let's get into that right now. So here we are here in LinkedIn, and you're looking at my feed right now. Now, to get to your company page, in case you don't know, you come under your little icon at the top here where you see your picture and the word me, and you do a little drop down, and then you'll see under manage, you can get to your company pages. So I'm going to select my Going Social page here. Now this is the admin area, and this is kind of the opening screen that you'll see. And at the top, there's actions, because LinkedIn is trying to help you become more active on the platform and give you certain tasks to do to stay current and have something to do here. So they're recommending a couple things for us, and that's great. We're going to scroll down, and I want to show you exactly how to get into different parts of your page. Now, if you're wondering different things about company pages and what to do within LinkedIn, I do have other videos on my channel you can check out. So definitely look for links in the description. What we're going to focus on right here is the edit page area. So let's click on edit page. And you're going to open up to a screen that's going to let you edit, details about your company page. So your logo, if you wanted to, the name that you have as the company name. You can customize a LinkedIn URL by doing that right here. You can add a tagline for your company page. Now, again, I am not on the premium account for this. So all the features I'm showing you today here are available if you have a free LinkedIn account. And that's why you're seeing this ad here, because they're giving me a premium trial if I wanted it, but I am not going to take that offer right now. The other thing that we want to look for right here is under home, featured. Add featured is what it says at the top here. Grow visibility for your most important posts, newsletters, articles by featuring them directly on your homepage. So let's go to manage featured. You just click that icon, and now you'll see this is similar to the type of featured section we have on our personal profiles. You can select to feature a post by clicking the button here, or you can also click the plus sign at the top. So let's start with clicking the plus sign at the top. And then what comes up is featured posts. These are posts that I've recently had on my page, and you can scroll through some. I'm just going to go back and select one of these. Actually, there's some good ones here, but I'm going to go back to the very beginning here and select this one. And I choose select. And as you can see, it's at the top here. Now I'm going to choose one more because I do want to show you something. Actually, we'll go back to the main page, and I'll show you the dashboard, which we're on. And now view as a member will allow you to see how your page looks. So right away, we come, and this is what someone checking, it tells you at the top, you're viewing as a member. So someone who's following the page would see this. They see our logo, our banner. They see information about the page. They come down, and then boom, right here, very large, is our featured section, and it's showing our post, one of our page posts. Now, you can feature more than one post here. You can even see more posts down here as well, and other details. So let's go back. We're going to go back to view as admin. We're going to go back to edit page. We're going to go to featured, manage featured, and let's choose another one. So I'm going to go back into here and I'm going to look for a second one here to show. Let's do this one, select. Now I've got 2 featured here. But what you can also do is you can order these. So let's say I want this one again to be at the top. I could click this and now you'll see that's at the top. Now if I wanted to again adjust it, because we already saw that this was here, I'm just going to show you. We're going to leave this one, the older one, at the top, and we're done. So let's go back, view as member, and you're going to see that it is showing the wrong one. So let's see what we can do. If we refresh, view as a member, there you go. Now you're going to see that the first one is here, the second one is on the bottom. And it's that simple. Now there's a couple additional features I wanted to show you about company pages, a quick demo. One of these has to do with something called pinning a post, and the other, again, I just wanted to show you how to organize or where to find those featured posts again. So let's go back into screen sharing mode right now. Okay, we're back on the page again. Let's go to feed, or sorry, edit page, and then go to featured, manage featured. Now we've got the 2 here. I'm going to add one more. So we're going to select this one. Now what's a little bit different between this and personal pages is I don't see the difference between posts, articles, newsletters, that kind of thing. And it could be because I haven't done an article yet on this page. And it could also be that I don't have a newsletter specifically for this page because I use both of those functions for my own personal profile more than the company page because I'm a lot more active on my own personal profile. But let's just add another one here. And I'm just going to demonstrate again, reordering is as simple as this. It's a little bit different than it is on the personal profile. I could again, so here we go. As another thing I wanted to show you is you can feature a maximum of 3 posts. So let's go back and look at our page and see exactly how it looks now. So you've got 3 featured items and you've got 1, 2, and then to see the other one, the user would click across to see 3. So you can go like that. That's how they would see it. And then below is your page posts. So that's again how you can feature stuff on your page. Okay, there's one more bonus feature I wanted to show you, and that's about pinning posts to the top of your LinkedIn page. Now I've showed you the featured section, which highlights them, but what about the feed? And if we're in the feed and we wanted to ensure that one post is always at the top, well, let's go back into screen sharing mode right now. Let me show you quickly how to do that one. All right, we're back on the page here. Let's go to our page posts. And you see that I've got this one, which I just posted, and then we've got this one. We've got a LinkedIn tip here. Let's say that we actually want this one to be the first one that people see on our page. Well, all you have to do is click on the 3 dots at the top here, and you'll see pin to top. So you can select that. And now what happens is when you go to your feed, this is automatically, and it shows that it is pinned. This is what is pinned at the top of your feed. So let's go back to view as a member, and you'll see that as we come down again, you see the same usual stuff at the top. You go featured, that's the same, and page posts, we see it here. Let me refresh to see if it changed that. So you see the featured is still there, but you see now the page posts shows this one as the first one. And if we go to posts, if someone's looking at posts, you'll see that this one is now showing at the very top, and then it goes to the most recent. So now you're seeing this one, which was the most recent, and now it's in chronological order again. Okay, so that is how you can pin a post to the page. So I hope you found this video helpful. A couple more LinkedIn marketing tips specifically on company pages. In this video, we showed you how to add a featured section to the top of your company page. This is a similar feature that you have available to you on your personal profiles. If you don't know how to set this up for your personal profile, I covered this in a different video here on my channel. All you have to do is check out the link at the top right corner, which will come up about here, or you can find the link below in the description. Be sure to check out that video if you haven't yet. It's very helpful. And again, in this video, not only did I show you how to add that featured section, we showed you how to organize the featured posts. And I also showed you for feed posts, for posts on your, and this works actually both for your personal profile as well as the company page. We showed you how to pin a post. And pinning a post means that you can take an older post and ensure that that is the first one people see in your feed on your company page. So all of these tools can be used to your advantage when you have specific posts or information that you want to keep front and center, that you want, that's maybe it's your best content, something that's been very active for you. Maybe it's just something that is important. It could be an event that's coming up. It could be a speaking engagement that you wanted to highlight. Whatever it is, these are features that allow you to feature posts, important posts at the top of your page or at the top of your posts feed so that you can ensure people see that first. I hope these marketing tips were helpful for you. Make sure to stay tuned for more. I'm always adding more videos here on YouTube, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.